Don't go in there, Vicky.
It's time to deck the halls with blood.
Ho, 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 ho.
You've been on the naughty list.
Time to die.
Looks like you'll be spending Christmas in hell. Ho, 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 ho.
Nicholas Claus was older than sin, and his beard could grow no whiter. He wanted to die. The dwarfish natives of the Arctic caverns did not speak his language, but conversed in their own twittering tongue. When he was young, Claus was thrown into slavery and forced to do the dwarfish natives' bidding. Once every year, they forced him, sobbing and protesting, into the endless night. During the journey, he would stand near every child in the world and leave one of the dwarves' invisible gifts by their bedside.